Hello dear students, welcome to class 8. So today we are going to start exercise 5.3. In this exercise, examples are based on probability and chances. So in your previous class, in your junior class, you have studied about the probability. What is the meaning of probability? There is a chance, there is a probability, there is a possibility to happen certain things. For example, it is a cloudy day. So what is the chances that it will rain today? So it may happen, it may not happen. Okay. On Sunday, is there a holiday? Yes, it is a fixed. So it will happen 100% that there is a holiday on Sunday. If you will toss a coin, then there is a chance. Either you will get head or you will get tail. Okay. So this kind of examples also you have studied before. So all these examples are based on this topic only. So let's see. Question number 1. List the outcomes you can see in this experiments. Two experiments are there. First one, spinning a wheel. Wheel is given. If you will spin a wheel, so what outcomes you will see? Here alphabets are written A, B, C, D, and here 2 times A written. So it is sure, it is obvious. You may get A, you may get B, you may get C or D. If you will get A, then here 2 times it is written, but it doesn't matter that here 2 times written. If this arrow will come, this arrow on A, then also you will get A only. If it will come on this section, then also it is a A only. So total outcomes are 4, A, B, C, D. There are 4 letters A, B and C and D in a spinning wheel. So there are 4 outcomes. B. Tossing 2 coins together. If you will toss 1 coin, then there is a chance you may get head or you may get tail. But 2 coins you are tossing together. So on 1 coin you may get head, on another coin also you may get head. Second probability, head and tail, then tail and head, and tail and tail. So when 2 coins are tossed together, there are 4 possible outcomes. Okay, these are. Question number 2. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of event of getting a prime number die. What are the numbers on die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So first of all, prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? You should know. Whose factors are not possible. These numbers are known as a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Then factors of 2 not possible, 3 not possible, 4 it is possible, 2 2s are 4, 6 it is also possible, 3 2s are 6, 5 factors are not possible. Or yes, it is possible, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 2, but only 2 factors are possible. We can say 1 and another one number itself, 1 or 2, 1 3 and 1 5. Okay, so these are the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. A. So outcomes of an event getting a prime number are 2, 3 and 5. You have to list only outcome. You no need to find out probability. Not a prime number. So not a prime number. Remaining 3, 1, 4 and 6. Number greater than 6. Only one number is there. So how many outcome? Only one. That is a 6. A number not greater than 5. Then 5 numbers. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is not mentioned that number not greater than 5. So here not greater than but equal to 5 also not written. So I think here 1, 2, 3, 4 that is only the answer. But here it is written 5 also. So it's okay, you will write only 1, 2, 3, 4. Now question number 3. Find the probability of pointers stopping on D in question 1A. This question that pointer will stop on D. What is the probability? So total how many outcomes? In a spinning wheel, how many pointers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. A, B, C, D. So there are 5 outcomes. Okay. So you have to remember one formula. Probability is equal to required outcome, here upside required outcome divided by total outcomes. Here this formula is given in the textbook also. You can check in the lesson in the last topic. So probability is equal to, here in the numerator required outcome and in the denominator total outcome. So here total outcomes how many? 5 and required outcome only 1. What is the required outcome? That pointer will stop on D. So probability of P is equal to required outcome is 1 and total is 5. So 1/5 probability. B, probability of getting an S from well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Okay, 52 playing cards. Out of 52 cards, how many aces are there? 4. Okay, 4 aces are there. So probability is equal to, how many ace cards are there? 4. Okay, and total cards 52. So 4 here, 13 and here 1. Okay, so what is the answer? Probability of getting S card is 1/13. Here this answer is given, that is not correct. Whatever I have written, that answer you have to write. Let me repeat once again. Probability of getting S card is equal to total 52 cards, so total outcomes 50, and out of 52 you want 4 S cards, so total, required outcomes are 4. So 4 divided by 52 is equal to 1/13. Third one, probability of getting a red apple from this figure. Total how many apples are there? 7. So and red how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So upside 4. What is the probability? That is a 4/7. Okay, next question number 4. Numbers. Okay, 3 questions remains and that is very long. So that we will see in the next video lecture.